Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Learn with Putra. I just realized that sometimes it's hard to search something using Google search in my phone. I was thinking, there should be some ways or some tricks to do it more efficiently. So today we will learn 10 tricks how to use Google search more efficiently. Okay, let's start. The trick number 1 is using quotes. I just knew also that if you search several words without quotes, it will search content that contains that words in any order, so it can be scrambled. But if you use quotes, Google search will find contents exactly in that order. I will show you. Let's say I will try to search hot red chili pepper. If you see, it's showing the band Red Hot Chili Peppers. But actually I don't want to search this. I want to search red chili peppers. Let's try to put quotes here. If you see, it's showing the Red Hot Chili Peppers. So you know, if you use quotes, Google search will find exactly in that order. Trick number 2, using plus or minus sign. This trick actually very useful if we knew that the words that we will search have ambiguous meaning. Plus to include only, minus to exclude. I will show you. If I search Valentino, it will show brand like this, or some videos and brand, fashion designer. I want to search actually Valentino from Idol Heroes. Idol Heroes. Let's see. Boom! Because I use the plus sign, all the result is only Valentino from Idol Heroes. And if I use minus signs, all the result related with Valentino from Idol Heroes will be excluded. Now you know, minus to exclude, plus to include only. Trick number 3 is using site with colon. With this trick, it's very useful if you know already the website and you want to search something from that website. I will show you. I will try to search Learn with Putra. I will using quotes because it contains 3 words, and then site YouTube. If you see, all the result is about Learn with Putra. Okay? Trick number 4 is using asterisk. Using asterisk means it can be anything. We tell Google to guess it. This trick very useful to find song. Let's say you only know the song lyrics but only some parts of it. You can tell Google to find the song for you. Let's try. Let's say I want to search You Give Love a Bad Name song from Bon Jovi. And then I only knew the lyrics is on your lips, on your fingertips. I will try to search without asterisk first. The result, none of the song of Bon Jovi. And then now, I will try to put asterisk and quotes. On your lips, on your fingertips. This one. Okay. And let's search. Boom! You Give Love a Bad Name. Okay, so you know already now how to use the asterisk. Okay? Trick number 5 is using related with colon. This trick very useful if you want to find similar site that you already knew. Example, I know YouTube and then I want to find similar site like YouTube. So let's try. Related and then youtube.com. Boom. It will show all the sites that's similar with YouTube: Vimeo, GameSpot, Twitch, Flick. Okay. Trick number 6, using OR. This trick very useful if you want to do multiple search at the same time instead of do it one by one. And make sure the OR is capital. I will show you. Let's try red suit or capital, yellow suit. Search. You can see the image, all the red and yellow suit. But if you use small, it will show different. It will show combination of red and yellow. So make sure the OR is capital. Trick number 7, one of my favorite, is using nearby keyword. Let's say currently you are at the place that you are not familiar with. Using nearby can help you find places. I will show you. Let's say now I'm here and I want to search a coffee shop nearby. Boom! It shows all the coffee shop near me. Trick number 8, using define colon. This trick actually very useful for me because I'm not really fluently speaking English. Sometimes I need the definition of a word. You can use this trick. I will show you. Let's say I want to define adu. Boom! It shows the definition of adu. Okay? Trick number 9. Trick number 9 is using Google search for conversion. It can convert using 2 keywords. Let's say you want to convert currency or you want to convert distance. You can use Google search actually. I will show you. Let's say I want to convert IDR to USD. Boom! It shows the conversion. Or I want to convert distance like kilometer to centimeter. Boom! It shows. So you can do conversion easily without any application, just using Google search. And we go to the last trick, voice search or speak to search. So you can use this trick when you are lazy to type and you just wanted to talk. So what you need to do is to press the microphone button beside the search button and start to speak. Learn with Putra. Okay. It shows. Easy, right? That's all, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have another idea or learning with me, you can comment in this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you will be notified about my latest video and updates. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye!